Power through your laundry with this Beko washing machine. Rated A++ for energy efficiency, it's kind to the environment, and it could help you save money on your energy bills. The Daily Quick program can wash 6 kilograms of dirty washing in only 28 minutes. Perfect when you need your washing done in a hurry. Child Lock locks the controls so that the dials can't be used until they've been unlocked. This prevents wandering hands from accidentally changing your wash programs mid-cycle. The slim depth makes it the ideal size for small homes. If you have shallow units or just struggle for space, this washing machine is the perfect appliance for you. Take the hassle out of laundry days with this efficient and compact Beko washing machine.